Ladies and students, now in this video, I will tell you how to test a transistor. For testing a transistor, please remember on a multimeter, again, you have to put your selector switch to diode mode. This is the diode mode. Okay. You can test your transistor by connecting over here, but my suggestion would be you test it on this diode mode only. Okay. Now you can see here, I have a variety of transistors. I have kept it here. All of them are BJT here. Okay. So some of them are power transistor, like this is power transistor. This is also power transistor. And this is simple low voltage BJT transistors. Okay. Now, how to test a transistor? You just see almost the transistor, let it be MOSFETs, BJT, or IGBTs. The method is same. Okay. How? Right. You have to identify that the three terminals, that is emitter base collector. Which one you has an emitter base collector? Probably in this is the imported transistor, this one. So it will have a different emitter base collector. The placement will be different. This BC series transistor, that is BC PNP or NPN transistor, it will have center base. Even this will have center base. Even this transistor can have a different collector and base arrangement. Okay. Now how to test a transistor? I've kept it on 2K range. Okay, done. Now I've taken black color wire. Put black color wire on the base first. You don't know, suppose you don't know the base, but I'm just giving you an idea. Suppose center is the base. Okay, I've kept it center. I will put it to one side and I will just see what is it's given. So it is not giving anything. It is not showing anything. So I will put to another side. So let's see what is it. It's not showing anything. So what I will do is this red wire, I will put it to the base now. I'm putting it to the base, red wire, and I'm just checking it. Okay. So I got some value. Okay. This side also I will check. That is, I'm checking by keeping the red one on the base and one wire to emitter and one wire to collector. I have got the value. What does it suggest? It suggests this transistor when red color probe of the meter, red color probe is on the base and black, it is giving value this side as well as the collector side and the emitter side, right? Collector side and the emitter side. Now, if it is giving value, that means my transistor is good. One, my transistor is working fine. Why? Because it has given approximately same value on both the sides and from the base. And second point is my transistor, what type of transistor this is? This is NPN transistor. Correct? NPN transistor. So we can find out with the help of a meter whether it's a PNP, NPN, and this thing. Now we'll check this transistor. Okay. So I'm just keeping the same way, the red one in the base, and I'm just checking here and other side. It is not giving. Okay. It was giving here. No, it is not giving. So I will reverse it again. So I will keep black on the base. That is black probe on the base. And let's see. It is giving value here. It is giving value here. But so this is what type of transistor? PNP. PNP. So you can find out whether the transistor is working or not. And also you can just check the emitter and collector, whether there is a leakage. In this, there is no leakage. Okay. So likewise, you have to test the transistors, whether it is working or not. In this case, let's see this. What is this? Let's assume this is base. The corner one is base here. So I will just put it here. Value, I got it. I will put it on the center. Please remember the power transistor maximum time, the center will be collector. In this case also, the center is collector. So I'm just keeping it here. I got value. Keeping it here, I got value. Right? Now, can anybody tell me whether it is a PNP or NPN transistor? PN base is here. Okay. PN. So it is a PNP transistor. Okay. This is a PNP transistor, power transistor. BD140 is the number. BD140 is the number. It's a PNP. So you know how to test the transistor. Okay, like this one. Let's assume this. Let's check this transistor. So finally, I'm just testing this transistor. Okay, so it's not giving the value. I will just put it on the other side. Not giving the value. I will change the red one on the center, and I will see. Yes, it gave the value. It gave the value. As well as I will see emitter and collector. So please remember, this is NPN. Okay, right. Now, most of the students, they get a problem Sir, which one is base we could find, and emitter and collector. Usually what happens, I will just tell you, right? So take this transistor, okay, this transistor. You see the center one, it's a triangular form. The leads are placed in a triangular form, triangle shape. Center one will be base. The left side, this one, every time it will be emitter. Please remember, the left hand side will be emitter. Okay? It will be emitter, this side. And the center is base and this side is collector. How you'll find out this collector? Well, because it is connected to body only. This point is connected to body. Same thing happens with this transistor also. The body of this transistor, that is this other side, this is the body. So center will be connected to this one. That's why we call it as a power transistors. Okay. Where we use power transistor, amplifier circuits, power regulator circuits. Okay. Output is where the current and voltage is high, right? So this will be used. This can be fixed on the heat sink. Okay. It can be placed on the heat sink. So this is the way you test the transistor. I hope you understood the testing of the transistor.